Right now, we're seeing a notable dip in governance sentiment momentum, clocking in at -0.36, after a recent uptick in sentiment to +0.07. This unusual combination indicates that while there's a slight positive shift in sentiment, the overall momentum has taken a significant hit. What's intriguing here is that although sentiment is improving, the negative momentum suggests a potential divergence between perception and reality. You could leverage this insight to identify opportunities for deeper analysis in governance-related projects or policies that are gaining attention but struggle to maintain positive momentum. Our API provides a detailed response, including sentiment scores, momentum changes, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dig into the nuances of governance discussions. Dive deeper into this data and explore how it can inform your strategies at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.